Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel Bye Basha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
We post easy peasy recipes on this channel.
So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so and also hit that bell icon. We love mangoes
Hope you do too.
because we bring to you a mango cheesecake recipe.
So without any further delay, let's get started.
Take the biscuits or cookies in a Ziploc bag. We are using butter cookies, but you can use any of your favorites. Simple Mari biscuits are the best option. Crush them finely. You could also use a food processor for this step. Pour the warm milk in it. You can also use about 45 grams melted butter instead. Put the mix in a mold of your choice and spread it well. We are using a 15 cm cake mold. If you are using any other vessel or bowl, do not forget to grease it properly with butter or use ample amount of butter paper so that you can pull the cake out with the help of the butter paper once it's done. Press and mix your cream cheese gently. We have used homemade cream cheese made from 1.5 liters of milk. Check out our easy cream cheese recipe as well. We have made our cream cheese a little softer than usual as we will be adding some gelatin to help solidify the cake. You can keep the consistency of the cream cheese thicker and skip using gelatin. Add the powdered sugar and mix well. Then add the mango puree and fold all the ingredients together. To use the gelatin, first add some hot water in it and mix well. Pour it into the cream cheese mixture and fold well. Next, pour half the mixture into our mold. To make the cake more flavorful, add some fresh mango pieces. And then cover with the remaining cream cheese mixture. Refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes till we prepare the topping. Take some more mango puree and add the gelatin as shown. Mix well. Pour it on the cheesecake and spread it evenly. Refrigerate overnight. If you are going to skip using gelatin, first refrigerate the cheesecake overnight and then pour the mango puree after the cheesecake is done. That way, you can enjoy the cheesecake without using gelatin. So it's been about 9 hours since we refrigerated the cake. To take it out of the mold, dip a cloth in warm water and squeeze it well. Cover the mold from all sides for a few seconds. This will help us to take the cake out smoothly. Remove the mold slowly. And that's it guys, your easy mango cheesecake is ready. You can garnish it with some fresh mango pieces as well. Enjoy!
So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.
Please do like, share and comment if you like this video. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.
We are on Instagram as well, so please do follow us there. The link is in the description.
Thank you so much for watching. Arigatou
Arigatou
gozaimashita.
gozaimashita.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.